I am here near Rexburg, Idaho, and what you see in the distance to the east is the North Menon Butte. The next one over is the South Menon Butte, which is an extinct volcano. And where I am at is in the exact center, or what I like to call the epicenter of the path of the upcoming eclipse. So I had been told that it's going to be hectic to be able to get over here. Now we got some cloud cover, and hopefully that'll burn off before tomorrow. And of course a little bit of red in the sky because of the fires. But all along here is just sagebrush. And there's, let's see, we've got a camper over here, and pan back around, and a camper right there. This is so phenomenal to be able to find a place where there's gunfire. I don't know if you heard that, but it's bouncing off of the hills back there. That's kind of neat. I am so amazed that I didn't get into one traffic jam. Of course, I skipped the interstate. I came up on US 91, and it was smooth sailing. I don't know what all this hype was about. Traffic jams for miles. Ooh, I heard a ricochet. So there's probably some Idaho redneck out there that's having some fun firing, doing target practice. So anyway, without further ado, I'm going to shut this off, and I'll see you tomorrow. North Menon Butte, and things are just busy with excitement. We got a helicopter. Looks like he's probably trying to land on top of the butte. There's a lot of noise. Last night, traffic was coming by this vacant road here, Menon Road, people trying to find a place to park or something like that. And yeah, it was pretty busy last night, but still relatively quiet. I'm gonna get my telephoto off here. Not quite focused, but you can see it. The beginning stages of the eclipse. Playing around with the reflection from my mirror at a distance, it has a crescent shape to it. That's cool. I hadn't expected that. That is so impressive. It's probably starting to get a little darker, and the noise is just full of airplanes flying. I hear 2 planes right now. Off in the distance. It appears to be somewhat, I don't know if I'm just hoping so, or that it looks that way, kind of a dark haze on the horizon. And it is getting cooler as well. I can feel the coolness of a drop in temperature change. And it's like I'm thinking about getting my sweater on. Things are getting darker. Should be able to see the shadow curtain. But I don't know if this thing will pick it up or not, because it toward the toward the west. Let's see. I'm looking northwest. It gets darker. Boy, I wish this camera would pick up the effects. It's just so phenomenal. Not much time left. Around here is like, it's kind of like a cloud cover, but except you can still see shadows. We should see Bailey's beads. It's like steadily getting darker by the second. Boy, it is getting very dark. People are still texting me. Oh, a little bit of Bailey's beads right there. Saw a little bit of Bailey's beads. It's very dark. It's getting darker. Last bit of daylight left. Oh, an interesting phenomenon is happening on the ground, and I don't want to take my camera off the... Oh. Oh. Where is it? There it is. The corona. And I can hear the shouts up on Manhattan Butte. And to be able to look at it with the naked eye is the most phenomenal thing to see. And I think you could see Mercury, Venus, and there is a sunset all around us, and it is dark. And it is phenomenal, beautiful to be under such a total eclipse. And there's Venus, and the corona of the sun. To be able to look at it is so beautiful. And I'll should take a closer look here. Oh boy. Yahweh Elohim is such an awesome God. First time I've seen an eclipse. That might be Mercury. I am not sure. I'll have to look later. But that is so phenomenal to be able to see a few stars. Regulus should be able to be seen. I don't know if that's Regulus or not. But to be able to look at it and be in total dark. It's not totally dark, but it's like having a sunset all around, kind of like doing a fast pan here, all around you. And this is so phenomenally awesome. And let's get back to, oh, is that a prominence? This doesn't really pick up the solar flares very well. But to be able to look at it with the naked eye is so awesome. Oh, there's the first bit of the light coming back. The solar eclipse is back, or the sun is back. And I can hear the shouts from Manhattan Butte miles away. And it's lightening up around here again. And I can no longer look at the sun anymore. For there it is. This is the most awesome thing to remember. Now the lives of Rexburg, Pocatello, Idaho Falls can get back to normal. Yeah, I have it on autofocus, so